Hello guys, Medicaid here, welcome back to Kiwi. Today we've got these two new songs, Love Me Again and Rainy Days. I'll get straight to it, smash the like and subscribe button, any questions down below. 3, 2, 1. I feel like this, you remember the BTS has now dropped some solo stuff, so it's quite good. You know, like some captions right here. Rocking the gold. Having someone the illusion of them being that scenario, so I can't relate. Make you feel better, you make it forever. Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine, I'm sorry. 거짓말은 떠나지마, 저리까지만 그래도 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Different music video to what you sing usually. Basically just him singing, sort of him singing slightly lyric video with like the TV. It's like an old camera style video. English films. Love Me Again. V. So I think we're just gonna basically go back to boom. I'm gonna end it there. I must admit, I've listened to the song before. I wasn't a big fan, but I like it a lot more here than there's. It seems to be a reaction thing. Like, I feel when I react to things, some things get better. I feel this got better. I don't know, just had a nice vibe, chill. Anyway, what I probably would expect from V, I feel like he's sort of on the chilled side of things. So, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna say the song is gonna become my favourite by any stretch, but it's one that I could add to my playlist, I think. Because I must admit, I didn't add it to my playlist. I thought it was okay on first listen, but yeah, I think the second listen was a lot better. Yeah. I can't talk too much about the music video, it wasn't too much to comprehend or look at. It was basically just him singing, bit of lyric video, and then you hear sort of the album style video. I feel like it's an album style thing. Yeah, but there wasn't too much going on music video wise. I feel like it was just, yeah, the fact it was just him singing. But, which at the end of the day, it's not a bad thing. Yeah. One of the songs like relates to him or like hits meaning to him. Like, I don't know, has he been in this situation before? Because I feel like a lot of the BTS members, unless they keep their dating lives hidden, which probably they probably would keep it hidden. I wouldn't want to have their relationships out and open, considering everyone goes crazy for BTS. But yeah, I don't know. Just wonder if he relates to it, or it's just, I don't know, his song he wrote. I don't know. Be interesting to know. But anyway, I'm moving to Rainy Days. And here we are for Rainy Days. For some reason, it's got the feel like the same as Love Me Again. Like, yeah, I feel like it's going to be a music video, maybe not too much going on. But we'll find out. Definitely playing with the split screen thing.
I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone cage, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe.
I've been on my own, maybe. It's like, it's either like you're on your own or you're with people. I feel like you can't really have a maybe in that situation.
이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so
You get a bit more meaning behind this music video.
늦었지만 우리 다시 Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days. I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
I like some songs.
On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the.
Okay, I think I'm going to have to make a quick cut, so I'll be back shortly. So, I was thought I was going to get interrupted, I don't think I am. I'm going to continue anyway. Find the way.
Way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Interesting. That was very interesting, just that flower opening up.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. Another night late clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 다 같이 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
The music video because this seems a lot more interesting. And yeah, we're done. Chilling with the dog. Rainy days. We'll end on that there. Well, this was more interesting music video wise. Like, I feel like there was a bit more to this music video. It made it a bit more appealing. The song was just sort of boring, if I can be honest. So yeah, I feel like this is a story flip. Like the last song had like the better song, but the music video was a bit boring. Where this had quite an interesting music video, the song was boring. So you sort of just flipped the script. No, yeah, it's just, I don't know. I couldn't tell what's going on. I guess he was just missing this person and so on. Wanting to come back. Well, I feel like the song had still got meanings, but yeah. Just musically, it was just it just stayed on that same vibe. You know, I felt like the same song did that. I don't know, just it was something a bit more to the other song for some reason. This just didn't have much impact on me. I feel like it was just same way throughout, and yeah, they could spell disaster for some songs. Like if you don't have some variety in there for me, like variety can mean just maybe having me more vocal, because like the style of the songs seem pretty mellow. So like I feel like the only way you're gonna invest me is like change your vocal delivery. Yeah, I know. Just yeah, it just basically with them singing didn't excite me whatsoever. Yeah. That's all I got for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like and subscribe button. Any questions down below. And I'll see you tomorrow for another reaction. Annyeong.